Hey guys, I have a fun and easy Christmas tree ornament tutorial for you today. There are two variations as seen here. I filmed myself creating all three, although the first two are the same, but I thought I'd share them all with you in case you needed a second look at the first design. I decided to create this ornament while it was hanging, attached to a clothes rack with an S-hook, but you could also make it on a table. For your setup, for each ornament, cut one piece of cord that is 2 feet long and one piece of cord that is 4 feet long. Fold the 2-foot piece of string in half and attach it to the top of your ring using a cow hitch knot. I've attached the S-hook to the ornament in between the two cords so that it stays in place while I create the rest of the ornament. Fold the 4-foot piece of string in half and tie a square knot. We will tie 5 more square knots with picots, 6 square knots total, to create the tree. To tie your square knot with a picot, simply tie your square knot down your filler cords and then push it up to sit it underneath the first square knot. The more space you leave in between your square knots, the bigger the picots or loops will be. Cut the ends so that they fit nicely within the ring. Use the same method to create the second ornament. Use the same method to create the third ornament. To create the variation on this design, cut the loops, brush them out, and then trim the sides. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you!